Hello friends, so welcome back to our channel VS Coding Academy. So today I came with a new job opening. Like if you are a Python developer and if you are having 3.5 to 7 years of experience, so this is video and this job opening is for you. So BTS Technologies is having a requirement for a Python developer. Like if you are looking and if you are ready for immediate joining, like you are the first pick, so don't miss this opportunity. And if you don't subscribe to this channel yet, so please subscribe to this channel and please share it to your friends like who are in need. So and please share it to like Python developers. If you know any Python developers and they are looking for a job, so it is best thing for them. And the package is also 17 lakhs per annum, which is huge. And so good luck for you. And if you apply this job, like how to apply and everything, like I made a post in our website, so please check that and that will be there in the comment section. And if you apply for this job and then post a comment, and if you're looking for any jobs, so for what job and what position you are looking, just post a comment so that if any job openings are there, so I will update in the website and I will make sure like I will make one video for the job. Okay, thank you once again. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel. Bye.